Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Oh, another boring home tour. Nope, not this one. It's got some real special areas. You gotta see it. And laundry, I mean, it wouldn't even be a chore to do it in here. Look at this wallpaper. I could look at it all day. And this bathroom, oh my God, it's fantastic. Tile everywhere, wainscoting, fabulous. And this closet, oh my God, I could stay in here all day. I love it so much. Grill, sit on a sofa, have a cocktail, take a quick nap, enjoy the outdoor fireplace, enjoy a game, in the shade. I'm in. And don't forget the seating area that could even be a family room for the casita. You know, it is detached. So if you have a mother-in-law that is attached, that'd be a perfect place for her. If any of these cool spots in this awesome house appeal to you, shoot me a message for a private tour.